Oh, my N-word, huh?
I will be one of the greatest, that is a vow, yeah, that is a promise.
Alright, YouTube, so we got the spray paint. I don't know if it's permanent or not, but hopefully it is. So, I want to go to the electrical aisle. Then after, we're going to just go spray paint the whip. I'm not sure if we should do it in public or should we go to like a garage or something. But whatever we do, I'll let y'all know once we leave up out of here. But with that being said, no more to be said. Duh. We got spray paint, we got the tires. The objective is to make this as black as us, our hoodies, blue as that. But I don't want to spray the brakes because I want to change brake caliper. I said earlier now. Who got first, bro? Who got first? Oh, bro, I'm not messing with stuff. Dang. That shit look-y hard.
You that one guy the hoes used to rate love. You that one guy that blew and eyes tape love. Let a bitch ask for something, I'ma say no. Let him.
Finna put Cheeto on this bitch. Alright, YouTube, so I don't know how long this is about to last. Could've did a better job, but it's like the car is too wet regardless of what we did. But I feel as if it doesn't look too bad. But I might just get black rims and still sick, my boy. Let me know down in the comments how y'all think this look. Then we about to go DT, just vibe or do something. You know, and make this black too. I'm just showing like minor modifications. But with that being said, let me know down in the comments what y'all think of it. So we got our Mac. We got Mac and extra bread. I literally got her order. So, me personally, I know good mac and cheese. So, if the mac and cheese is not good, I'll let y'all know. Pasta look cooked. We got a little cheese pool. Okay, going crazy. Go crazy. Oh. Just had to taste the noodle first. Good. Nice job. I'm not a food critic. Let me chill. I ain't gonna lie, just off that bite. That shit fire. Not gonna lie. The mac and cheese. Try the bread. That shit look hard. Bread hard as hell, not gonna lie to y'all. This mac and cheese look probably the best buffalo mac and cheese I had. But anyway, with that being said, we'll give y'all another take. Yeah, take a bite. Tell you shit, how was it? But we're talking Mac in a little bit. Probably later on, like 3 o'clock. Alright, it's 12. See y'all in 2 hours. So we are at the game right now. Honestly, I got a bet on it right now. So one of my men, shout out Dula. better at 10. So I was like, tell your team, right? I'm betting money on y'all. This is my parlay. I don't ever do no parlays.
Now right there. Go. Whole clock.
I will be one of the greatest, that is a vow, yeah, that is a promise.